Personalize the look of the frame TV to complement your style. Magnetic frame securely snaps and installs over existing black TV bezel. Various color options include brown, beige, white or black, each customizable frame sold separately. Compatible only with 32-2020. The frame TV, QN32LS03TBFXZA Not compatible with 2019 Samsung TVs or earlier. Dimensions: WxHxD inches, 2866 by 89 by 63, top, bottom, 1673 by 89 by 63, left, right. Top reviews from the United States. They'll tell you it only works for the 2020 version of the frame TV. I even reached out to Samsung's customer service to ask if the 2020 frame bezel would work on my 2019 55 inches TV. They said no, it would not. The 2019 bezel is nowhere to be found on the internet. I was skeptical they would even bring it back in stock since it's an older model now, so I ordered this from Amazon to try for myself. It works on my 2019 TV, y'all. Even the little black connectors and hole covers fit perfectly. See picture. It was very easy to snap on, and I love the elevated look of the beige frame. We debated on if the additional bezel was worth it because it isn't cheap, but in my opinion it disguises the TV even more, which is the main reason we went with the frame TV in the first place. Hope this helps if you're in the same boat I was with an older model.